How? What? Which color is which? To be going in with the Wet n Wild's color icon. Yeah. Hey guys, it's Nicole and welcome to my new video. Happy New Year's! Thank you guys so much for all the love and support you've given me in 2017, and I can't wait for 2018. So yeah, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Today's video is going to be a New Year's makeup look. A lot of you guys requested that I should do a makeup look with my new Jaclyn Hill palette, which I got for Christmas, and I really wanted to do one too. So I did that with the eyes and then finished my whole face. Disclaimer, I know this is a lot of makeup and I'm only 12. I'm not going anywhere today and this is all for fun. I hope you guys really like this video and make sure to subscribe, and yeah. Okay, so I picked out all my makeup that I'm gonna use. That's what all of that is doing there. But we're going to start off with the eyes first, so I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay, now we're a little bit closer. I know I look a little bit crazy because I only have one eye done, but I didn't want to do like both eyes at the same time. So let's get started with my right eye. First step is to prime your eyes, but I don't have a primer, so I'm going to be using a concealer and a little setting powder. And the ones I'm going to be using are both from NYX. I'm going to be using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer and the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Single in Bone. So all I'm going to be doing is just putting it on my lid, then blending it out on a little Morphe brush. This is from a kit. I'll link it down below. I'm not sure the exact like numbers of it. All I'm doing is just blending that out. Now I'm going to be packing on this little powder on top of the concealer, and that's just to give it a nice matte finish. Okay, base is done. It kind of sounded like I was going to say base is loaded. Now we're going into our Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to be first using this shade in Silk Cream, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. Again, I'm using a Morphe brush from the kit. It's linked down below. All I'm doing with this color is putting it above my crease. You can always go back with your transition shade to just blend everything out. Next, we are taking these two colors in Roxanne and Hunts, and I'm just going to be putting that in my crease. These eyeshadows are really pigmented, so if they come out like a lot on the eye, that's why. I'm going to be putting that in my crease. It's kind of like a nice orangey red combo. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'll try and link all of the products I'm using down below. Next, I'm going to be taking the color Jax and putting that on my outer corner. Now, the last step of the eyes, like I said, it's super simple. I'm taking the color Sissy, which is so pretty, with this Lancome Duo brush. I'm putting that on my lid. It's so pretty! Yay, and eyeshadow is done. Now let's move on to the rest of the eyes. I didn't really want to do eyeliner for this look, so if you would like to, totally go for it. But for mascara, I'm going to be using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. This one is so good. And I'm just going to be putting that on my eyelashes, of course. Yay, okay. So that was the finished eyes. Now I'm going to just brush out my eyebrows with this little spoolie. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys back out and we are going to do the face. For foundation, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid and a damp beauty blender. Sorry, my beauty blender is a little bit dirty. I forgot to dampen this at the beginning of this video, so I'll be right back. I'm back. I'm going to be putting the foundation on the back of my hand and then using the beauty blender from there. Becky is still kind of there, but kind of not. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out my last vlog, which is hanging out with my cousins. And of course, blend it down your neck for no weird foundation lines. Once again, we're going in with the NYX concealer and using it as concealer. So I'm going to be putting it under my eye. If you're wondering, I'm in the color CW06. And again, I'm going in with this beauty blender. Where did I get this? Got this at Nick. I'm going to be using the like flat side. Oh yeah, I still have like some foundation on my hand. Now to set everything, I'm going to be using a Neutrogena powder and this Lancome powder brush. This brush is so soft. Time for bronzing. So I'm going to be using a NYX matte bronzer and this Beauty Essence powder brush. Next, we are going in with the Wet n Wild's Color Icon Pearlescent Pink blush. This is really pretty. And then I'm going to be using a e.l.f. small taper brush. Probably one of my favorite parts, highlighter. I'm using the Morphe DD palette and a Lalique blusher brush, which is super nice for highlighting. I'm going to be using this color. So I'm putting that on my cheekbones, my nose, my like on top of my eyebrows, I guess, and then my cupid's bow. Also, before we move on to lips, I'm going to be using that same highlighter color and putting that in my inner corner. For lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. This is in the color Cherry Skies. Let's put it on. We're done with this makeup look. So I'll pass you guys out to my outro. Whew. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment down below some other makeup tutorials you guys would like to see and like what products you would want me to try or something like that. I love you guys so much. Bye. Mwah.